Hello and thanks for joining us on Kalkine TV for Smart Market Insights. I'm James Preston and in this edition I'll be shining a light on some ASX-listed telecommunication stocks to keep an eye out for. The telecom services sector was one of the 9 sectors which ended higher on the 23rd of February, along with the S&P ASX 200 index. It closed 1.85% up, outperforming the ASX 200 index, which closed 0.62% higher yesterday. The 3 telecommunications stocks that I'll focus on in this report are Telstra Communications, Unity Group and also Chorus. Telstra operates through 4 segments: Telstra Consumer and Small Business, Telstra Enterprise, Networks and IT, and also Telstra InfraCo. Its main business is to provide domestic and international consumers with telecommunications and information services. On the 17th of February 2022, Telstra announced a drop in reported earnings for the first half of the 2022 fiscal year, blaming the fall on a one-time payment cut from the national broadband network. However, the telco reaffirmed its guidance for the entire year, saying the core business showed positive momentum led by mobiles. The company's net profit after tax fell by 34% though. Similarly, the company's earnings per share declined by 35.9%. On Monday, the 21st of February 2022, Telstra inked a 10-year multi-operator core network commercial agreement with Telstra Corporation. Before that, Telstra had signed a 100 million Aussie dollar blockbuster Internet of Things deal on the 8th of February with IntelliHub, a utility services provider. The company has provided a little over 28% in returns to its shareholders in the past 1 year. Moving on to Unity Group, and the company's headquarters are situated in Adelaide in South Australia, with the business being founded back in 2012. Unity operates in 3 segments: consumer and business, wholesale and infrastructure, and also communications. In the half-yearly results for financial year 2022, Unity reported 140% EBITDA growth in its half-year results, owing to organic business development. Unity also generated a lot of free cash flow, which accounted for around 56% of its EBITDA. About 90% of the communication services company's earnings were driven from recurring superfast FTTP networks, with its contracted FTTP order book expanding well. The company's shares had a year-to-date decline of almost 43%. And lastly, let's take a look at Chorus. Chorus is a telecommunications infrastructure company which maintains and builds a network of local telephone exchanges, cabinets and copper and fibre cables. For the half year of financial year 2021 ending on the 31st of December, Chorus had an NPAT of 42 million New Zealand dollars, which increased over 55% over the first half of the 2021 financial year. The company announced an interim dividend of 14 cents per share and a share buyback worth New Zealand $150 million. The firm's EBITDA was also up by 5.7%, and despite a solid first half of the 2022 financial year in terms of the reporting, its year-to-date stock has fallen 2%, while its 52-week share price was 5.3% lower. Alright, well that's all for now. Another edition of Smart Market Insights on the way for you tomorrow. Until then, keep watching Kalkine TV for the latest market updates and business news. I'm James, signing off for now.